Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we are going to talk about the Fabfitfun Fall Edit Sale. And if you are an annual or select member, the Fall Edit Sale is already open and it actually closes September 20th at 11:59 p.m. And the important part of that is if it is in your cart when it closes, you will be charged for it. So if you, like me, because you can see I have 34 things still in my cart and I'm not getting 34 things. If you don't take them out before this time, you will be charged for them. So the reason I'm doing this today really is for all these seasonals. You will have all member access on September 30th and it will go until October 4th, and then it will be the same thing at 11:59 p.m. on October 4th. If it is still in your cart, you will be charged for it. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys some of the things that are in the fall edit sale. So I'm going to scroll through just like I did last time. We'll stop a little bit, talk about a few things, but this will give you guys an idea of some of the things that are in the sale. Also, I have waited a couple of days to do this because so many items end up sold out, and I just wanted to give that a chance so that you guys wouldn't see a lot of things that would already be sold out. There were a lot of sponge gels for all of you girls out there, and I know that there are a lot of you who love the sponge gels. There were a lot in this sale. So I'm going to try and find that fine line between going fast enough that you guys don't get too bored, because this could get incredibly long. But I also want to go slow enough that you can actually see what the products are. And there's our mystery bundle. I'm not sure if Jessica and I are going to do a mystery bundle battle. I think I'll probably try and talk her into it. Let me know below, guys, what you think. I really like doing the battles with her. And while I don't want a bad mystery bundle, I really would like to get Jessica a win. Look, see, more Spongel, and this one's blue. I love that this works, Deep Sleep products. I haven't actually had this set, but I love that spray. Of course, you guys know I've got my Daily Concepts loofah. You guys know I have a slight Daily Concepts problem. I also picked up, how cute are these? Corksicle Unicorn Pixie Dust Stemless Flutes. So cute. I actually have had this Dr. Brandt Skincare 3D Lip Plump Fix. I actually have that and I use it periodically. I got it at the same time that I got a 111 skin, and I'm actually finishing up the 111 skin first, but it's almost gone, and then I'm going to commit to that Dr. Brandt's, but I really like it. I have also had this Dr. Brandt Skincare ID Puffing Gel. It's kind of oranges. It's not my favorite. It's a little too thick, and I feel like I have to work a little too hard to get it worked in under my eyes. I am so happy. They so often have the Moroccan Gold Series masks and detangling sprays, but they don't often have the shampoo. So I know I chose one. Why did I choose one? But I did. Actually, you know what? I can change that later if I change my mind. Another Daily Concepts. We've got some milk products, and if you missed this in the summer sale but you wished you'd had it, there's that nice Isaac Mizrahi vase. More Murad. There are just a lot of really great products in this sale. Some Ulla Hendrickson, and oh, look what I got, guys. Oh, it's still for sale. This is the Christoph Robin Regenerating Shampoo with Prickly Pear. This matches, if you did the booster box for fall, that's the complimentary shampoo to the mask that we got. So I definitely picked that up. I wish I knew if I liked it, I would get two, but since I've never used it, I'm going to stick with one for this time. I always look at these green goo products. They have the first aid and they do several products. If you've tried those in the past and you like them, how about letting me know? I wanted to grab this Christoph Robin, but then I realized it was for blondes, and that's not me. Look, can you guys believe it? This bundle is actually in my cart. Yep, because you know, guys, I'm always putting away giveaways, or I might like to try one of the scents again, but that's just a heck of a deal, and I know you guys love them, so I thought I would pick them up. And then look at this cool purple. This Ace Butte palette. Those purples are so pretty. And again, I have to go kind of quick, or this would take days. But if you see something that you want me to come back on, like if you're seasonal and you can't get on yet and check it out, if you see something that you want me to come back and tell you more about, just let me know. I thought this was a really great deal. This, just the shampoo and conditioner in this Living Proof is usually $56. And with this, which they are selling separately, and I have it in my cart also for $28, you're also getting a nice hair oil from Voir. And this is that Moroccan Gold series that I love with the leave-on mask. That's the spray-in. That's a great deal. More Murad. And these Spongebob Diffusers. I haven't tried one yet. I've actually had it in my cart a couple of times through these sales, and I always end up taking it out. Have you guys tried one? Do they have a really nice scent? I find diffusers that have weak scents very frustrating. Well, this is interesting that this is not showing this in my cart. Hold on, wait. If I change, okay, yeah, there's this Oma Fair Lady. I have been wanting to try this contour stick for forever, and I have had it in and out of my Ulta cart, and I can't believe I'm finally getting it for better than half price. It's a $40 stick, and it's on sale for $19 here in the edit sale. I personally can't believe it's still available. I think that is such a good price, and I have really wanted to dive more into this Oma brand. I've had a couple of their lippies, and I really like them. How cute is that Kinsey hat? That is so cute. I wanted to put it in my cart, but you know, it would look a little silly on me, I think. I picked up a little pepper. That's a pretty good price for peppercorns. So I'm going to give that brand a try because they have them in here a lot. And I'd like to see how fresh it is and that kind of thing. More Kate Somerville. Some more interesting brands in here too, like this. I don't know that brand. If you know it, let me know below. Have you tried it? Do you like it? Look, see, here's more of that same brand. I would really like to know if it's a good brand. I guess what I should do is probably break down and pick one of them up, and then I would know. I was also very drawn to this hat. I'm surprised this is still available too. With winter coming, and I think that is so cute. I have this in my cart, but I'm thinking about it for a gift because I already have one from Sephora. But $7 for that is a really good deal. Do you guys know, is this a Fabfitfun brand? Because it is in here like every edit sale. And I liked the flavor combination of these three. So, and here we are stuck in the house. So I thought it would be something fun to play with. Let me know below what you guys think. If you've tried it or if you know if it's an in-house brand. I have this in my cart because I got this Mitchell and Peach hand cream in my last bundle, the last bundle that Jess and I battled over. I got just the hand cream, and there's the wash that would match it. And actually, when I went in to read about the pack, this is just a hand cream, and this was a ridge filler. And I've been doing my nails a lot lately, so I thought that would be super handy. How cute is that? That's something else that I had to talk myself out of. And that is not something that a 50-year-old woman should have to talk herself out of. But I even, after I talked myself out of it, I was like, oh, I bet one of the grandgirls would love it. And this is that Voir Walk in the Sun Luxury Hair Oil that is in that pack that I have up there. I have this in here actually for a Christmas gift. These glitter flip duos, I always want to end up with these in my cart and never do. I'm going to put them in there now. I'll decide as we go along. That's how it happens though. That is how I end up with so many things in my cart. And then I have to weed through it and decide which I think I like the best. And another thing, these Luxy brushes, I love them. It is always so hard for me not to just add more and get more Luxy brushes. And all I need to do is clean mine and stay ahead of cleaning them, and I have plenty. You guys that watch the channel know I get the LaRouche brushes from Ipsy on the regular. I have plenty of brushes. There's just so much in here. There are actually quite a few things in here that look different to me this time. I guess I could do this live. Maybe we'll consider doing this live next time. And then if you guys had any questions, I could stop and like, click on something and you could have more information on it because look, you can see all of the ingredients and everything. But I don't know that I'm technically capable of doing this and having it be live. Let me see what I can work out. I really like this anorak. I tried getting it, but it wasn't available in all the sizes. It's not a color I would normally wear, but Kayla over at Kayla's Closets, if you guys like unboxings about clothing, you should definitely go over and check Kayla out over at Kayla's Closets. She is drawn to, and I haven't seen as many this fall, but especially last fall, Kayla was really drawn to these olive toned vests. And that just makes me think of her. But again, if you like the clothes hauls and the try-ons, you should definitely go over and check out Kayla's Closets. I will try and link her below. This was in and out of my cart in a quick period of time. I kind of like the way that looks, but I figured, you know what? We're just not leaving the house enough now to justify a new purse. And is it me or does $199 seem expensive for a beanbag? That just struck me as very expensive. I mean, maybe I'm too old and I just remember back when they were just way cheaper than that. I mean, and kudos on them. That is a huge bottle of hand sanitizer. There are a lot of clothes this season, but a lot of the tops, I've really gone to more of a tunic style top since we're spending so much time in the house. And I know I say that way too much. But since I'm spending so much time in the house, I'm wearing more leggings. And with a legging, I really like a tunic length top. Something else these sales always make me want, new lamps. They always have the most up-to-date, modern-looking lamps in here. And I'm always like, you're right, I do need a new lamp. I don't ever buy one, but I always think I should. Oh, okay, and here we are. We have run into out of stocks already. Wow. So the Moroccan Gold Series is already out of stock. It's still available in that set, but wow. This is that living proof set that I have in case I decide I want just the shampoo and conditioner and not the whole set. But now we are into the things that are out of stock. And I will go through these quicker because in theory, you might not be able to purchase them. But don't forget, like I say, whenever I do this, if you think you would like this, be sure and come up here, push that button. It will make it red. And then you can just come up to my favorites, click on that. And I'm not going to do it because it won't bring me back to this point. It takes you back to the beginning of the page, which is very frustrating, by the way. If you click on my favorites, it will bring up everything that you've put a red heart on. And if toward the end of the sale, like the last day and especially into the evening of the last day of the sale, a lot of people put items back and you will so very, very often be able to pick something that somebody decides at the last minute to throw back. So I don't want that sponge on. So that's a great way to be able to pick things up. I can't believe all of these things are sold out. This is the Happy Wax. It's a nice little plug-in with a apple harvest scented and their little teddy bears. I thought that was cute. I have 2 more of those corsicles. I thought that would be a great Christmas gift for somebody too, with a bottle of wine or with a bottle of champagne. I just thought that would be a really nice gift. I signed on right at noon, which is the minute the sale opened, and I did it on my computer, not on my iPad, so there was no lagging. And by the time I got to the bottom, there were already sold out items. A lot of these things were still available in all fairness, but there were a lot of sold out items. I, as a rule, don't buy fabric and air fresheners because, they talk about all of the toxins in them, but just for the record, and I shouldn't do this because it's sold out, but you might be able to favorite it and pick it up. It was ginger pumpkin and citrus cedar. And if you read the ingredients, and I will do this in case you want to screen capture it, because I would go looking for this out just even not in the sale. It's all natural ingredients. It's not a bunch of toxic junk. And if I'm going to spray something into the air, that's what I want it to be. And it was only $9 for the two of them. I'm going to give it a try. It all sells out so quickly. I got so excited when I saw this and I thought it was a scarf, because doesn't that look like a scarf? And then when you read it, it says blanket. I don't need that as a blanket, but I thought it was a really pretty scarf. I could use a new blow dryer. I have never heard of this brand. If you've used this Kim Kimble brand, how about letting me know? Did you like it? Did you have luck with it? So much sells out so quickly. I have favorited this because I'm trying to get it in either an extra small for one of my granddaughters or the extra extra large for myself. I'd be happy to get it in either of those sizes. These Beats earbuds were already sold out when I got there. Look, $59 for a $150 pair of Beats. That's a great deal. All right, so that is the fall FabFitFun edit sale. Again, if you have any questions that I went by too quickly, just let me know. Let's go over and I can show you guys now. If I click on my favorites, it just brings up, oh, look, I did the Beats too. It brings up the two things I favorited. And actually, it says select options, which means something is available. Neither of the two I need. So if you like that sweater, you can have it in either a small. Nope, just a small right now. But I'm trying to snag it in an extra small or an extra extra large. I would probably settle for trying that extra large, but it's just so cute. And then the Dr. Dre Beats. And I will just come back in periodically and click on those and see if they're available. They seem to have brought back the search. So if you want to just search for a particular brand, that's good. We went for a couple of edit sales where we didn't have the search. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming by. That is the FabFitFun Fall Edit Sale. Again, if you are an annual member, it is open now. If it is still in your cart on September 20th at 11:59, they will charge you for it. If you are a seasonal member, the sale opens on September 30th and is open until October 4th at 11:59 p.m., at which point you will be charged for everything in your cart. I only say that again and again because I know that some people don't know that. If you're brand new to FabFitFun, you might not know that. And some people, if you could see me right now, you would know I was making a shame face. Forget. And I'm telling you what, I have been like within 10 minutes of the sale ending and thought, oh my goodness, and had to jump up and get on to get some things out of my cart. So I try and be a way better about it now. This number started off very close to 100, and I've whittled it down to a mere 36. Actually, you guys just watched me make it bigger. Anyway, thanks again for coming by, guys. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.